These tuna tostadas use canned tuna and no mayonnaise whatsoever, and are one of my favorite weeknight meals because of how easy they are to throw together and how flavorful and tasty the end result is. We'll start in a bowl with our tuna salad. So I'm using olive oil, a dash of hot sauce, salt, pepper, and lots of lime juice. Everything gets whisked together before we add our canned tuna, our minced cilantro, our red onion, minced pickles, and avocado. And the minced pickles are a little bit probably different for people, but I love this ingredient in tuna salads. It adds that crunchy, tangy bite that just complements everything so well. So once the salad is mixed together, you can cover it and put it in the fridge until you're ready to assemble everything. And we're ready to move on to frying our tostadas. Now, of course, you can buy store-bought tostadas if you don't have the time or energy to make them, but creating your own really just takes a matter of minutes. We're just gonna fry our corn tortillas in hot oil on both sides until they are golden brown and crispy, just like this. We'll transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to drain off any excess grease before topping with our tuna salad mixture. I like to garnish this with a generous squeeze of lime juice and some extra cilantro, and it just makes, like I said, such a satisfying meal. It feels gourmet, it feels fancy, but the ingredients are accessible and something that I usually already have on hand. There's something about a crunchy tostada with a cool, fresh seafood salad that just makes me really happy. I don't know if you're the same. Please comment and let me know I'm not crazy. I hope you give this a try and enjoy. Buon provecho.